Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from the 2000 AMC 8, question number 23. There's a list of 7 numbers, the average of the first 4 numbers is 5, the average of the last 4 numbers is 8, the average of all 7 numbers is 6 4/7. Then the number common to both sets of 4 numbers is... So if we were to draw this out, we'd have 7 numbers here. And if the average of all 7 numbers is 6 4/7, that means that the sum would be 6 4/7 times 7, which is 42 plus 4 equals 46. The average of the first 4 numbers is 20. So these 4 numbers added together is 20. The average of the first 4 numbers is 5, which means that all numbers added together is 20. The average of the last 4 numbers is 8, which means that all 4 numbers added together is 32. So the sum of these 7 is 46. And counting this one twice, because again, we already covered this one and we already covered this one as well. That means that we're counting this number twice. So we can do 52, so 20 plus 32, minus 46 to get 6 as our answer, which means our middle number is B.